Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is interesting because we learned that Google Chrome in 2024 started using its Manifest v3 and enforcing it, which means that some of the extensions started to break down, including uBlock Origin that was at some point even sometimes removed, or at least they were saying that it was not working. So you would think that, all of this would have an impact in the market share of the different browsers. And I'm looking at December numbers here, and basically it doesn't have much of an impact. If we look at the numbers for the browser, Google Chrome has been pretty much the same. 66.3 in November, 66.8 in December. So there isn't any impact visible about Google Chrome messing things up with extensions, which I guess means, first of all, and we know that worldwide extensions are not that popular. People in the know, the tech enthusiasts know about all the extensions that exist, but for most people, there's no knowledge of that. So I guess that's what's happening. 66.8 just isn't budging. It's actually, if you look in the last 3 months, it's actually slowly rising. So Chrome is really dominant, still there to dominate. What will be interesting to see in 2025, though, is the fact that the U.S. Department of Justice is asking for the Chrome browser to be separated from Google. That's going to be interesting to see what happens with that. The closest competition, and this is incredible when you look at numbers, the closest competition to Chrome is actually Microsoft Edge at 13.2. And that is the closest. Imagine, there's really nothing that is out there that, compensates. It's crazy. This is a dominance that is, it's far beyond Windows. People are saying, oh, well, Windows, and yeah, but this is crazy. Windows has competition that is taking some chunk of market share, even though it is dominating a lot. But this is, Google just dominating the browser, and it doesn't seem to budge. And then we've got, if we look at Firefox, because Safari is not on PC, look at Firefox, 6%. That's, very small number. Firefox at 6%. If you look here, 6.1, 6.4, 6.4, 6.5. It actually is slightly lower than it was a few months ago. So it really seems like Firefox isn't really catching on anything. So kind of curious when you look at this, how people just stick to their browser and don't even change. In terms of when you look at the operating system, there's a reason for, you stick to Windows. There's a lot of stuff that, you do in Windows that are Windows only. So you might want to stay there because of that. But there's no real reason to stay on a browser at the same time because all of them are Chromium based almost. All of them do pretty much the same thing. So it shows the habits of people that they just don't change. And they keep what they like and what they use every day. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.